Jasco universal remotes, including GE, Philips, and Ultra Pro models, can control multiple devices using infrared signals. There are two main methods to program your remote. The first method is direct code entry. You'll need to find your device's code from the code list, which is often marked as CL3, CL4, CL5, or CL6. Check inside the battery compartment or find it online. Here's the direct code entry process. First, hold the Setup button until the red light turns on. Then press and release the Device button for your device type. Next, enter the 4-digit code for your device. The red light should turn off when the code is accepted. Finally, test the buttons to ensure they work properly. The second method is automatic code search. This is useful when you don't know the specific code for your device. Start by manually turning on the device you want to control. Enter Setup mode by holding the Setup button until the red light turns on. Then press and release the appropriate device button. Point the remote at your device and press the power button. The remote will automatically send 10 different codes in sequence. If your device turns off during this process, you found a working code. Press and release the same device button to store this code in the remote's memory. Both programming methods will successfully set up your remote to control your device. Direct code entry is faster when you know the specific code, while automatic search is perfect when codes are unknown. When your Jasco universal remote isn't working properly, there are several common issues and solutions to try. Let's walk through the most frequent problems and how to fix them. The most common issue is when your device isn't responding to the remote at all. This usually means the remote is using an incorrect code for your device. The solution is to try all available codes for your device brand. Some codes may only control basic functions, while others provide full control. Test each code systematically until you find one that works properly. Another common issue is when you can't access the menu on your device. This often happens when the remote is stuck in shift mode. To fix this, press and release the Shift or Setup button. Then use your Menu or Information button while the red light is still blinking. This will exit shift mode and restore normal menu access. A specific compatibility issue affects Roku and Amazon streaming devices. GE and Philips remotes can only control Roku devices that have infrared sensors, typically the Roku boxes. These remotes will not work with Roku streaming sticks or Amazon streaming devices because they use radio frequency instead of infrared signals. For volume control issues, use the Master Volume Control feature. This allows you to control the volume regardless of which device you're currently operating. If you experience partial code functionality where only some buttons work, try reprogramming with different codes, or use the automatic code search method to find a better match. Remember that Jasco products come with a 90-day limited warranty. For newer Bluetooth-enabled remotes, like the Ultra Pro, you can also program them using a smartphone app for easier setup and additional features.